is Wendy from Smiles and Swirls. I'm going to try acrylic pouring for the first time. So I've got my paint with Elmer's white glue and like a treadmill lubricant and a little bit of water, so it's runny. And I've put my white down already so it flows, and now I'm just going to go for it. Let's see what happens. I'm just going to pour like that because I kind of want it to be like a beach scene. So I'm just pouring, and I'm gonna see what happens. So I'm gonna go sort of light to dark with different blues and greens, and I'm crossing them over a little bit so you get some cells. This is so fun. I'm excited. Let's see what happens. Just pouring right now, and then I'm gonna spread it across. So I'm kind of picturing that I want it to be like an ocean beach scene. I'm just spreading it on the canvas, and I'm letting different colors overlap a little bit, and I'm going light to dark. So that's quite dark at the end, and I've dripped the other colors. I'm gonna add a little bit of this light blue in over here, and I'm gonna add some white. It's going to be messy and fun. Just a little bit of white, like kind of waves, I'm thinking. All right, I'm gonna go for it. I've got a foam brush. I'm just gonna scrape it across. Let's see what happens. So pretty. Oh, I'm starting to get what they call cells. I'm just gonna clean my foam brush in between. Go again with this one. Just cleaning it off. Oh, this is fun. Let's see what happens. Pretty. Okay, now I'm going to move it around and see what happens when it flows. I'm going to go a little bit this way now. The top looks totally cool. I love it. Okay, and I'm going to go the other way now. Kind of want those, I want more of that brown. So I'm going to put a little bit more up top with a little bit more white. Kind of want it to look more like sand. There we go. Let's see what happens when I let that drip now. I feel like I just want to drip color into here. See what happens. So pretty. I'm going to go back this way now so it looks like waves coming in. This is the final product, what it looks like. Just zoom in on some of the detail. You can see it. Look how pretty that is. It was really fun to do. It ended up turning out a lot different than I thought, but I really liked the finished product. So it's very messy and very fun. So I hope you try it out. Enjoy.